It is 10:47 a.m. and I just picked up the tires for my M parallels. My original plan today was to go to the gym in the morning and then pick them up, but as usual I overslept. So I ended up picking the tires up first, and I'm about to head over to the gym now. But I'm just really excited to finally install these on my M parallels because I bought the wheels like a month ago and they've been just like sitting in my room collecting dust. They just look like a trophy in my room actually. But I should have them installed by the end of the week because my my TPMS sensors are coming in on Wednesday, and then I'm going to install those and then drop them off at the tire shop. And then once I do that, I'm probably gonna shoot a little before and after of my car, or I'm gonna shoot a cinematic and do a photo shoot and then compare and make a before and after, and like do a current mod list on my car right now and what's to come. But I can't wait for you guys to see that. Alright, so it's Thursday. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Kind of forgot about this. So my TPMS sensors were supposed to come in yesterday, but I think they're gonna come Monday, which sucks. I'm hoping they'll come in on Saturday because they're supposed to have 2-day shipping, but with the holiday weekend it's gonna be hard. I really wanted to get it by the end of the week, but if not, then whatever, I'll get them on Tuesday. But it's a little setback. I wasn't planning on that, but well, we move. All right, I'll catch you guys when the sensors come in. Hey, what's up guys? I'm at work right now, but my dad just dropped off the wheels and tires to get them mounted because the TPMS sensors came in today. Let's go. I'm really gassed they came in today. When I get home from work, I'm gonna put the wheels on the car and then I'm gonna show you guys how they look. I can't wait, but I'm really excited for this, and I'll catch you guys when I get home. Peace. Ooh, what's up guys? Finally off work. I'm about to go home, and when I get home, can't wait to see the wheels. I'll see you guys there. Alright, I just pulled into my neighborhood. I'm about to park the car, and well, it's the moment of truth right now. Let's see. I don't think you can see it, bro. Right there. Oh my god. Alright, I'm not gonna look at them until I turn on the lights. I'm not gonna look at them until I turn on the light. I see. Okay. Where's that? Okay. Bro, we are at Fogo de Chao right now because look at all that meat. Oh my god. Bro, you all have no idea how badly I've been wanting these wheels, because look, I got these E46 M3 wheels. Well, yeah, these obviously don't look bad, right? But look at this horrendous. Oh my god. Alright, no shade. My friend Andy let me borrow these, but oh my. These are his spare wheels as well, so like, obviously he just put whatever tires he had, but look at that disgusting gap. It's actually monster truck, but it's okay. We got the M parallels with the new tires mounted. These are Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus. So you know, your boy dropped on these to make sure we had proper tires for the new wheels, and I'm about to install them right now. Guys, I bought this car over a year ago. It was in April of 2019, and this is the first time since then that I've had absolutely no lights on the dash. It's clear, it looks so nice. The TPMS sensor on it is finally done because I bought brand new sensors for all 4 wheels, and we're good to go. It looks so good. Also, this is a custom dash. Well, the gauge faces are custom from Clusters and Coating, and I also had them change the backlights to LEDs to give it that white M3 look, which looks so nice. And I'm actually receiving new faces from them, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna look so sick. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Jeez. Woo. I don't think you guys understand how much better this looks. Like, I have been staring at a yellow TPMS light for over a year, and seeing this now, look at this. Look at this. Wait a second. Oh my, it says okay. That's never ever happened before. Oh, I'm so gassed. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels tomorrow when it's daylight. I'm finally back in the E90. It's looking real nice. I just put on the wheels last night and washed the car, but I'm okay with the way it sits. It's I think I can dial in the fitment a little bit better. I'm getting coils in a few weeks, so the car is definitely gonna be lower, but I'm gonna show you guys what I mean in a little bit. Without further ado, let's see the new wheels. For the like 2 people who are watching this, are you guys ready to see how the car looks? 3, 2, 1. So when I bought these, I didn't know that they were 13. The offset was 13, so like they're hella wide. But for the rear, I'm probably gonna get like between 5 and 10 millimeter spacers, because I just want to kick out a little bit more. But for the fronts, I don't know. You guys, tell me what you think. It's poking out a little bit, but if I roll my fenders, I think it'll look nice, because like, if you look at it from here, it's not like that bad, but I don't know. You guys tell me. It's poking out a lot ish. I don't know. Well, I also just washed the car, so it's looking real nice. I think I'm gonna do a quick little drive, but yeah, I'm just really happy these are finally on the car. Oh yeah, let me show you the CSL trunk that I just installed. Sheesh, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Jeez. Anyways, I will catch you guys in a bit. Please like, subscribe, share the video. It'll help me out a lot, but thank you. See you guys in a bit. Peace.